Remember in November when I said that I was going to make a part 2 of my Transcontinental countries video? Well, this one is much shorter than the last one. It's only going to be like 6 minutes long, even though the first part was almost 20 minutes long. Anyway, um, the first country of this video we're going to cover is Panama. Some people think Panama is actually just a singular continental country, which is just located in North America, but that's actually not true. The Panama Canal, it's really important in global trade because it connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean, which are the world's two major oceans. It's just really important for trade. But the Panama Canal actually separates half of Panama. Around 47% of Panama's territory is in South America, and about 53% of it is in North America. It might be the opposite percentages, but that's a fact. The Panama Canal, and in fact, Panama City is really close to being considered a transcontinental city. Sorry, I have a bad cough. And then the final country we're going to cover for the transcontinental countries is Venezuela. Venezuela has little areas that, like little island territories that are part of the Caribbean, which is part of North America. I could actually consider Trinidad and Tobago as a part of South America. Let's just say that Trinidad, which is the larger island, is part of South America. It's really part of South America because it's really close to Venezuela. Let's measure this for a second. Okay. We made the point. Wait, no. Not copy the clipboard. Inches, no inches. Miles. This is only about 7.91 miles and about 12 kilometers. The distance between Venezuela and Trinidad is only about 7 miles. Okay, so let's measure this. Okay, let's just say this is Port of Spain, the center of Trinidad and Tobago. Let's do the measurement again. This is its closest area to South America. And this, okay, done. And this is Port of Spain's closest point to North America. Okay, let's consider this. This line is about 2 times as small as this line, which means that, you know what, let's redo this again. I'm wrong. Okay, so this is the center of Trinidad. This is the distance between the center of Trinidad and the farthest point, South America, which is about 97.7 miles. And then this again, is the center of Trinidad, and the distance between the farthest point in North America, which is Grenada. So clearly, it shows that Trinidad and Tobago is closer to South America than it is to North America. So that technically means that Trinidad and Tobago is part of South America. Which that means there were not 2, but 3 countries that we had to cover today. Just those 3 countries. So yeah, this was shorter than I expected it would be, but yeah, those are all of the transcontinental countries. There's no more left. I'll probably just need to double check. Yeah, that was the last transcontinental country for our video today. You know what, maybe? No. Okay. Bye.